Here's another quick shot. It's getting lighter out. It's still loading. I don't want to wait too long because I want to be ready to roll. I'm down on a little incline, but holy Christ, that thing is crazy. A 650, an F650. Wow. How about that for hot shotting? Look at the fuel. You can go forever on that thing. Alright, man, I gotta get back and get ready. They'll probably have me loaded here in I don't know, a few minutes, maybe 15. Sun's coming up.
Not to Oregon 212 East.
All right, here goes our 2,000, what was it, 2,600 mile journey? 2,100? I don't know, I'll have to look. Oh, look at them clouds, they don't look good. I need to get out of here before it rains because when I go in the mountains, it'll be snow. Yeah, I don't like them clouds. They look dark as anything. I have to check the weather, but I'm heading east as soon as I get on the interstate coming up. I'll be heading towards the nice bright sun. All right, loaded in Clackamas, Oregon, right by Portland. Heading over to Bedford, maybe Pennsylvania, and then New York. 2 stops. I put my coffee in the microwave, heated it up a little. It's one good thing about not being in a hot shot. Yeah, you get the bed, all the storage and everything. And I didn't mind it. I fit in it fine. This one's more comfortable. Filming sucks, I jump around a lot. That's the dam that he's talking about. One of numerous. Tunnels are always cool. Fallen rocks. I don't see any. Right, there's two parts of the dam, and there's land in between them. Man, I wish I had a panoramic video camera so you could see everything else a lot better. That was a fish hatchery right there. Yeah, GoPro mounted somewhere, and me taking some other film shots would be great. I think I didn't have a dirty windshield. Nice little train tunnel going right through that little rock or boulder. In fact, man, I wish I had the train coming out of it. Oh, there's a train going in the tunnel in the mirror. Little island. Yeah, the river's going pretty fast. Wish I had a canoe. Wish I had time and a canoe. That's all to pick me up. Went into pilot, used the shower. No mask. Should have. Went to Walmart. I mean, no, not a soul has a mask in these places. Or this Home Mountain in Idaho. Home Mountain. I don't know. Kind of a small town. I should have looked it up if anybody does have it, but that don't mean nothing. Or these truckers from somewhere could have it. Or somebody just have it and wasn't checked. So yeah. I don't know if I mentioned it yet before. But yeah, I do have food, and the broker said it's to restock grocery shelves, so I could run extra on my logs. I think I mentioned this in another video, but you know, I didn't publish it yet. But, yeah. I could run extra on logs, and he said, oh, they probably won't check it for 2 months, but it doesn't matter. I've got an appointment. Walmart don't change their appointments. I will call them and ask them if I get there early. Just if I get there early. I'm not going to press it if I could unload, but otherwise it's strict appointments. All right, here we are. Reefer's going. Let's get in the truck. Hey, what's up? Yeah, it's about 3:30. That's when I started. About 3:47 a.m. March 23rd. Stayed at Mountain Home, Idaho. And hit the Walmart first. Had to get some things. Water mask. They had the real cheap paper towel rolls. I'd probably say a little more than a case, but it was spread out in 3 boxes. That was the only thing on the paper goods as far as toilet paper, paper towel rolls in that aisle. And yeah, they only let me buy one. I said, well, there's plenty more there. So, you know, I grabbed about 6 rolls. But yeah, they were 50 cents. Hell, I would have bought them all. But, okay, whatever. So I got one. Just went across the interstate to the other side to a pilot. Stayed there for the night. Went in, took a shower. I think I did a video on that. No mask. Not good. Maybe this small town might not have any cases, but you don't know if a truck driver that just rolled into the pilot there has it. So, mask from now on everywhere. But yeah, just starting out the day. Of course, it's still dark out, so we'll talk at you later. All right, just left the Love's over here, just above Salt Lake City. No mask. I have not seen anybody else except one person back in Boardman, Oregon, that passed me walking in with a mask. I've been in Walmart, over in Mountain Home, yeah, that's where I stayed last night. I have not seen anybody wearing a mask. So yeah, I don't know. I say, yeah, there's love. Yeah, I don't know if I recorded it just now, but there's a Love's that just left. No one has masks on. This is Salt Lake City. Yeah, nobody's wearing masks. I've been in Mountain Home. Last night we stayed there at the Pilot. Nobody had masks. I went ahead and I went to Walmart first, just to stock up, see what they had in paper goods. They had 50-cent roll of paper towels. The cheapos only let me buy one, but there was 3 boxes, cases sitting there. Anyways, yeah, no masks. I seen one person the whole time. That's it. Another truck driver back in Boardman, Oregon, at the Love's up there. And yes, they're setting up all them stations for the drinks and everything where the customers cannot get them. They'll serve you to get you your coffee and your drink. But that's a quick update. All right, just woke up.
During these unprecedented times,
And this is what I came to. Store closed, no water.
safe, clean, and well-maintained locations across the country. Please join us in these efforts by practicing proper hand washing and social distancing.
No bathroom, no coffee, nothing. What I did, of course I'm wearing my mask, so that's why I sound funny. But yeah, you can get fuel, you can't get anything else. Like I said, I was tired yesterday, so I did the 2 hours. I stopped for 2 hours, slept. Then I made it to here. I'm on full driving time, but I did 8 hours sleeper berth. I did sleep in a little longer than the 8 hours, but before a whole 10-hour consecutive's up, it gave me 4 extra hours to drive, and then it'll all reset, and I have a whole new 14-hour window. Now, yeah, that's a lot more driving you want to put on yourself in one day, but we'll see how that works. All right, I'm gonna get rolling. All right, Love's have these numbers you're supposed to stand at. Keep separated. Come on in. Stand on number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got my coffee. Yeah, I asked the girl in there who was giving me the coffee, has she seen anyone else's mask? She says, yeah, there's a few of them come in, so I'm not the only one, so that's good to hear. All right, let me get settled. Yep, mask on. Full 9 yards. That's a nice truck. All right, let's see how this Love handles everything. Nice and quiet. I don't know what time it is. It's 2:33 in the morning. It's quiet.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, good. No traffic. This is how they serve you now. Not allowed behind there. That's how they all.
Turn right onto Upland Parkway. In 800 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
All right, stopping at this Love's. Last one I stayed at, got up. They didn't have any plumbing working, so no coffee, no nothing. You can get fuel. That was it.
In 600 feet, make a U-turn.
So this one was about 45 minutes away. And it's a new one. Wow, it's nice and big. They did this one right.
Make a U-turn.
Oh, be quiet. So we'll check this one out. See how it is. Let this guy back. Yep. So I've seen one man.
Turn left onto I-25 Business Loop, then use the right lane to take the I-25 North ramp.
Other mass than mine, I should say.
Use the right lane to take the I-25 North ramp. In a quarter mile, merge onto I-25 North, US 87 North.
Because I'm wearing mine. All right, we're in Cheyenne. That's still Utah. Or Wyoming, I'm sorry. Cheyenne, Wyoming. Right in the bottom corner of Colorado, just north of Denver.
Merge onto I-25 North, US 87 North, then take exit 8D.
I don't remember, I don't know. Just woke up. No coffee. No coffee, no bath. Anyways. Alright, yeah, I passed, I went shopping at another Walmart before I slept last night at a Pilot and wore my mask. Nobody had masks there either.
Take exit 8D.
Like I said, nobody has them, I guess. Nobody's not even making one.
Continue on I-80 East for 488 miles.
So it might not be that crucial to them. I haven't looked up on the internet if anybody has it in these areas, which I need to research better. All right, let me hit the road. Them rocks are pretty cool.